Using Sezzle at Walmart in-store is a convenient way to split purchases into interest-free payments. To get started, you need to have a Sezzle account and the Sezzle app on your mobile device. First, shop at Walmart and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, let the cashier know that you want to use Sezzle as your payment method. Next, open the Sezzle app on your mobile device and navigate to the In-Store Purchases section. Select Walmart as the store and the amount of your purchase. Sezzle will then prompt you to confirm your payment schedule, which is typically 4 interest-free payments. After confirming your payment schedule, a barcode will be generated in the Sezzle app. Show this barcode to the cashier, who will then scan it to apply the Sezzle payment. You will then be required to make a down payment, which is usually 25% of the total purchase amount. The remaining balance will be split into 3 interest-free payments, which will be due every 2 weeks. To complete the transaction, you will need to provide a form of payment to the cashier, such as a credit or debit card, to secure the remaining balance. This card will be used to make the remaining payments, which will be automatically deducted every 2 weeks. Using Sezzle at Walmart in-store is a great way to purchase the items you need while splitting the cost into manageable payments. Just make sure to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. It is also important to note that Sezzle has certain eligibility requirements, such as being at least 18 years old and having a valid U.S. phone number and email address. Additionally, Sezzle may perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for the service. Overall, using Sezzle at Walmart in-store is a convenient and affordable way to make purchases. And by following these steps, you can easily use Sezzle for your next in-store purchase.